Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS brakes, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected, beautiful metallic green and black. Only about 11,000 miles on this Kawasaki. Come by, make your Ninja dreams come true. Great commuter, great for buzzing around the Bay Area. Price to sell, just $54.99. Come by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We've got financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.